Well, good evening, everyone. I'm Chris King from New York Islanders Radio and TV, and welcome to tonight's very special Islander Business Club event. Now, this evening, we are pleased to unveil our alternate uniform to our fans and supporters. The unveiling of this throwback uniform is an exciting moment for the entire Islander franchise as we honor teams of the past while providing fans with a new look for the future. In a moment, we'll be joined by Islander legends Clark Gillies and Bob Nystrom, along with current Islanders Mike Sillinger and Josh Bailey. But before we get there, it's my pleasure to introduce another Islander legend and the executive director of the Islander Business Club, Mike Bossy. Mike?
Thank you very much. Thank you very much to all the Islander Business Club members, except for the one who has the Ranger jersey on. But that's okay. We'll tolerate it tonight. Thanks again for coming. At this time, we have quite a special treat for all of you that are here. And at this time, I would like to introduce our team president, Chris Day, to come up and to unveil something special. And now we have a special treat. We have two former players and two current players who are going to come and serve as models for this new uniform. Guys, come out here.
Again, everyone, this is the photo opportunity for everyone to get their shots in, and when we're done, we'll break off for one-on-ones.
I love these jerseys. I mean, these are, when you figure it was the first jersey that I ever wore, you got to be happy to see it back. And it's actually a very sharp-looking jersey. So, as I said earlier, if they win with these things, we may see them a lot more this year. So, as a good luck charm, let's say. But very excited about seeing the old stuff come back. The new pants, the old pants, new pants, old pants are going to look good on them. And I think the fans, especially the ones that are around in 75, 76, are going to enjoy seeing these jerseys up there.
What about the fact that that, this is the old time, you were here, the Stanley Cups. What does it mean to you?
Well, it obviously brings back memories. I was talking to Chris King earlier, and we were talking about one of the most memorable Islander Ranger moments, and it was certainly when we beat him in 1975 in the playoffs. To get our start, nobody expected us to win. Certainly not to go to the semifinals in 1975, and all those things come back when you put this jersey on, and you just think of so many great memories that take you back.
Talk to the fact that the organization today literally made that commitment to bring these back.
Well, you always look for a third jersey. That seems to be the new thing in the game today. And why not go back to the beginning? Why not to go back to where the team was basically the same makeup as you have here now? You get a nice mixture of young and old, and the old guys helping the young guys, and then just help them mature, because I really think that this group is going to be a fun group. I think they have to remember right now that they're up against it every single night. But their main concern should be going out there and working hard and just playing carefree hockey. Don't be so uptight about the fact of winning and losing, but to go out there and a lot of times just being a little more relaxed and just working as hard as you can will go a long way to make up for maybe a lack of talent. So,
last question. It's funny, everything you're talking about is sort of a family-oriented theme, and that's one thing I think this organization's had for years. Can you comment?
Well, we go back to the guys that I played with. Little different situation. We had a heck of a lot of success. When you got 16 guys that played on all 4 Stanley Cup teams, you do tend to bond together quite nicely, and those guys are still some of them, if not my best friends in the whole world, certainly right up there. But the relationships we developed over those years will last your whole lifetime, and that's what I like about this organization, is that, especially in our day, is that we had a group that wanted to be together and wanted to stay together. There was no free agency at that time pulling everybody apart. So thank God we were able to keep that team together for the 5 or 6 years that we were vying for the Stanley Cup.
Oh, it's awesome. I think, to be a part of something that they're doing is pretty cool. And, obviously with the jerseys, they're obviously really, really nice. And, it's always good to have a throwback jersey like that. I think, you got to have a third jersey. And my team did it last year in junior, and it was, all the guys loved them. And, obviously all the guys are going to love these. They're really, really good looking jerseys, so we're excited to wear them.
What about the fact that the jersey sort of represents the promising times, the times of Stanley Cup for the Islanders? Does that give anything as a player to you, sort of some inspiration?
Absolutely. I think it's it's something to shoot for almost too. It's kind of like the guys that won the cups wore these. You go out, maybe play a little harder, and maybe it'll do something for you here and there. Maybe get the morale up. So it's kind of I think it's good.
You were here with Clark Gillies, Bobby Nystrom, Mike Bossy. Any of them give you any tips on what you're about to face?
Not really. I think I've been lucky enough to meet them and talk to them in the past, and it's always good to see them again and chat with them a little bit. They always got some funny stuff to say and always some nice remarks to talk to you about, and give you pointers here and there. So it's always good to talk to those guys.
Do you remember watching these guys, or even video clips of these guys when they were playing?
I've definitely seen lots of video clips of them, especially now being a part of the Islanders. I think I've seen quite a few. They're really big on their heritage here, which is good. You need that. So I think it's I've been fortunate enough to see a lot of them, and it makes me want to be a part of something like they were.